How's it, guys? Welcome to the channel. So in this tutorial we're gonna be making a boom bap type beat, a common sense type beat. Okay, let's listen to the beat first, then I will explain how I made the beat. A boom bap rap hip hop beat. Let's listen to the beat. Okay, that was the beat. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Okay, the first thing I've set the BPM to 1284, as you can see here. Then we can start with it's just a pattern. Okay, I'll solve the instruments. Okay, the first it's just okay, just a pattern. Okay, I've played this snare, this common snare. Okay, this is a very common pattern. Okay, this gum ka. Yes. Okay, now is this one is the kick now. Easy. Then I went to the hi-hat. This is okay, shaker. Okay, just fill each 2 steps. Okay, easy. Then what's this? Open head. Okay, then the next one, another open head. I think this is fill each 8 steps. I think so. Then I use this impact synth to give that background impact. Okay. Okay, then what's this? Okay, another background noise. Okay, okay, then I've pushed this. What's this? This swing to 25%. Okay, so let's see one by one. Then I the kick. Now the hi-hat. Another open head. Another one. Okay, and this impact. Okay, and the other one. Okay, let's go now to the melody. I'm using one shot. I'm using this one shot to play this melody. Oh, yeah. The people. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Then the next one, I'm using a one shot. This one shot. I've played this melody. Okay, easy. The next one, I'm using a flute, a one shot, a flute, minor flute. I've played this melody. Let me zoom it. Oh yeah. Okay, the next one, the bass line. I've used a one shot also. This one is the same flute. I don't have a nice bass sound, that's why I'm using this flute, but I'm using a lower octave. Let me double this note. Boom boom. Let me double this one. Okay, that's it for the beat. Let's hear how the beat sound, all the instrument together. Okay, let me play from the start. Yo. The people. The people. I don't know how to rap, man. That's why I'm just keeping saying the same words. Oh yeah. Never can block about pizza, kick maxina. Yeah. This beat is so fire. Somebody beg big master. Somebody big max. The blabber plan clock, that beat my kick mavicina. Don't. Are you above in the black market for brand the black six mavicina? Sorry man, I think I'm using a alien language. So that's it for the beat. I hope you liked the beat. So if you did, just consider subscribe and click the notification bell so that you don't lose any of my next video. Peace.